This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the air filter in your Nissan Murano. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. You'll need a few basic tools, typically a screwdriver and possibly a pair of pliers, depending on your specific Murano model. Locate the air filter housing, which is usually a black plastic box near the engine. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do with a little guidance. Once you've located the air filter housing, you'll typically find 2 to 3 metal clips securing the cover. Simply unclip these fasteners to release the top of the airbox. With the clips undone, gently lift the airbox cover. It might be hinged or slide off, revealing the old, dirty air filter inside. Carefully pull out the old filter, noting its orientation. You might be surprised by how much debris it has collected. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to clean out any leaves, dust, or debris that may have accumulated inside the air filter housing. A vacuum can be very helpful here. Now, carefully insert your new air filter into the housing, making sure the rubber seal is at the top and it sits flush without any corners sticking up. Finally, align the cover and push down the clips until they snap securely into place. After installing the new filter and securing the housing, give all the clips a final check to ensure they are firmly fastened. This prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine. It's a good practice to note the date of your air filter replacement, perhaps on the filter itself or in your car's maintenance log, to help you remember when to change it next, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, be sure to check out the link in the description for a fantastic book recommendation, along with other helpful deals. It's a resource that many have found incredibly valuable for building lasting wealth. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.